Question number 4. Write any three rational numbers between the two numbers given below. First problem, 0.3 and minus 0.5. Write any three rational numbers between these numbers. So this is the smallest number because it is negative, and this is the greatest number. So we can write minus 0.5 and 0.3. Okay, write any three rational numbers between minus 0.5 and 0.3. So minus 0.4. Okay, then minus 0.4, minus 0.3, minus 0.1, then minus 0.1, then 0.1, 0.2. So this is the numbers between, here last number is 0.3. So you can take any three rational numbers between these numbers, 0.5 and 0.3. So take any three numbers between these numbers. Okay, so this is the minus 0.5, minus 0.4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2 up to 3. Okay. Problem number 2. Minus 2.3 and minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. So we can write here minus 2.300 and minus 2.330. So write the numbers between these numbers, minus 2.300, then minus 2.30, no? 01 minus 2.300, and you take any three numbers, 302 minus 303, 304 up to dash 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 minus 2.330. So you can take any three numbers between these numbers, means minus 2.300 and minus 2.330. So 301, 303, 304, 308, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to 29. So this is second problem. This is third, 5.2 and 5.3. 5.2 and 5.3. It can be written as 5.20 and 5.30. So 5.20, 5.21, 5.22, 5.23, 5.24 up to 5.30. So you can take any three numbers between 5.20 up to 5.30. Fourth, minus, you can solve fourth problem, minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. It can be written as minus 4.50 and minus 4.60, and take any three numbers between these two numbers. Next topic is operation on like surds. Okay, we know that 5 is a rational number, but root 5 is not rational. Square root or cube root of any real number is either rational or irrational number. Similarly, nth root of any number is either rational or irrational. The surds, if A is a positive rational number, okay, if A is a positive rational number and nth root of A is x, and if x is an irrational number, then x is called a surds. Okay, if A is a positive rational number, if A, so this A is a positive rational number and nth root of A is x, and if x is an irrational, then x is called a surds. In simple, okay, this is the hard language. If x raised to power n equal to a, or nth root of a equal to x, symbol of surd is nth root a. So this is a surd. Okay, symbol of surd is nth root a. So this n is called as order of the surds, and this a is called radical, and this sign is called radical sign. This sign is called radical sign. A is radicand and n is the order of the surds. Okay, means for example 3 root 7. This is surds or not? Okay, 3 root 7. What is the cube root of 7? It is cannot solve. So this is a surd, because this is irrational number. Surds are always irrational number. This is irrational number. This number cannot be solved. So this is called as surds. जो नंबर जो रूट सॉल्व नहीं होता that is surds, और जो सॉल्व होता it is not surds. Is for example square root of 4, then square root of 4 is 2. ये सॉल्व हो गया. So this is not surd. Not surd. Okay, then square of 7. Square root of 7. Square root of 7. ये नंबर सॉल्व हो रहा है क्या? नहीं. It cannot be solved. So this is a surd. ये surds है because it cannot be solved. Then cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. And 3 is a rational number. So this is not surd. This is not surd क्योंकि ये सॉल्व हो गया है यहाँ पर. Then square root of 10. ये सॉल्व हो रहा है क्या? Square root of 10 नहीं हो रहा. So this is surd. ये क्या है? Surds है. And order of these surds is, this is the order of these surds is 3. Order is 2. Order is 2. Order is 3. Means nth. Nth is the order. So this nth is order of this surds. So 3 is the order of these surds. 2 is the order of these surds. 2 is the order of these surds. 3 is an order of these surds. 2 is the order of these surds. तो जो नंबर जो रूट सॉल्व कर सकते वो सर्ड्स नहीं है, इट इज़ नॉट सर्ड्स. और जो सॉल्व नहीं होता इट इज़ अ सर्ड्स. Similar or like surds. Two surds are said to be like surds if their order is equal and radicands are equal. So those surds are called as like surds, similar surds or like surds. By using definition, their order is same as well as radicand also same. So here for example P root A equal to Q root A. Both are like surds or similar surds because order here, order is कुछ भी नहीं मीन्स यहाँ पर ऑर्डर है 2, यहाँ पर भी ऑर्डर है 2, कुछ भी नहीं मीन्स 2 रहेगा. सो P इंटू डॉट, ये P स्क्वायर रूट के बाहर है एंड Q भी स्क्वायर रूट के बाहर है. सो P इंटू रूट A एंड Q इंटू रूट A. इन दिस प्रॉब्लम order is same, that is 2, and radicand also same. So this is a similar or like surds. Okay, for example 8 4 root 8 and 5 root 8. So cube root 8 here, cube root 8. In these two surds, here order is equal and radicands also equal. Okay, so these surds are called as similar or like surds. यहाँ पर कौन सा नंबर है रूट के बाहर, उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं, वो कुछ भी रहेगा. 2 रहेगा, यहाँ पर डिफरेंट नंबर रह सकते हैं, 2 4 5 6 कुछ भी रहेगा. सिर्फ कंडीशन क्या है, चेक क्या करना है कि ये सेम है क्या, ये सेम है क्या. ऑर्डर एंड रेडिकंड मीन्स ये वाला नंबर ए, दैट इज द रेडिकंड. अगर इफ रेडिकंड्स इक्वल एंड ऑर्डर्स इक्वल देन टू सर्ड्स आर सिमिलर और लाइक सर्ड्स. देन this is also like sets or similar sets because order is same. कुछ भी नहीं means order 2 रहेगा. So here order same and radicand is 5. So this is the similar or like sets. अगर यह इक्वल नहीं है ओके तो इसको इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. अगर नहीं है तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सॉल्व एंड दिस similar or like sets can be find. Okay. In the simplest form of the sets, if order of the sets and radicand are equal, then the sets are similar or like sets. Mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done on like sets. In practice set 2.3.